What up? It's early. We got up at about 3:45 this morning and we are headed from Cebu City to Oslob, which is in the south of the island. And on the way, we got a private driver to come pick us up at 5 a.m. And on the way, we are going to stop at a waterfall. It's supposed to be the tallest waterfall in the Philippines. It's like over 300 feet tall. So it should be a pretty cool experience. And then we'll be down in Oslob, supposedly, by about 10:30 a.m. Bye-bye, bougie Airbnb in Cebu. Cebu City. Hello. 4-hour drive to Oslob. And hopefully waterfalls. Alright guys, so compared to how we've been traveling these past few months, this is a straight luxury. Like, a guy picked us up and on the app that I booked it on, it said that we were getting a 4-seater car, including the driver, similar to a Toyota Corolla. And then this guy picked us up in a 10-seater Nissan bus. Like LED lights. With LED lights and stuff. He put all our bags in the front, and then we each get our own row of seats. Like, what? It's kind of crazy. So it's now probably about 5:20, and we're on our way to Mantayupan Waterfalls. Probably that's not even how you say that. I'm excited to be able to fly the drone again finally.
Do you want to play with this?
Maybe.
Good morning.
Alright, what's up guys? So on the way down to Oslob, we had rented a private car and we stopped off at this waterfall.
This
called
waterfall.
Something. No idea what it's called. What up, Sam? And the waterfall is right there. This one is only 14 meters tall. Anyway, this first waterfall is about 30 feet tall and the second waterfall is 300. So it should be pretty cool to go see. And I guess we're going right now. Over what one? Oh no, dude. Yeah, this bridge is actually extremely sketchy. Currently walking on an extremely bouncy suspension bridge. That's like super rusty. Oh my gosh. What up, boy? Oh. So on our way to Oslob, which is in the south of Cebu Island, we made a stop at this waterfall. It's pretty cool. It is the tallest waterfall in all of the Philippines.
Yeah, it's super amazing. It's 6 a.m. and I haven't had coffee. Really tired, but it's a cool view. There's not a lot of people, and if you're ever doing a drive to Oslo, you should check it out. Our stop here was completely accidental because we weren't planning on doing the drive to Oslo, but we're just faking it till we make it and pretending that this is the plan all along. So we made the most of it. We left this morning at 5 from Cebu City, and now we are halfway to Oslo.
And waking up at 3:30 was fun.
We're having breakfast at the waterfall that we came to this morning, and now it's like 6:30 or 7 a.m. and we
It's
all
8.
Oh really? We spent that long here? I got sunny side up egg. Matt got scrambled eggs, but this is like the first time I've seen scrambled eggs done like this. Looks really good. And then we have 3 hours until Oslob.
That food costs 355 pesos, which I'll put the exact conversion here, but that's like less than $6. Crazy. For 3 people, including like bacon, eggs, rice, coffees, waters.
So I'm out here in the Philippines. Say hi, guys.
What up, Sammy?
Bit of an update for you. We were snorkeling right outside of our Airbnb. We have like a private beach access, and then we showered and came into the city. This city is actually 3 kilometers from where we're staying, so we got on that little tricycle tuk-tuk sort of situation that you saw, and then we rented scooters for tonight and tomorrow. I've never driven one, and I got my very own scooter. We're going to do the whale shark diving tomorrow, and you'll see that tomorrow. And we wanted to get scooters to get there. Obviously, I've been riding on the back of Matt's scooter our entire time in Southeast Asia. So something got into me, and I just said that I wanted to do it. Now we're at this restaurant called Le Bistrat, and it's owned by our Airbnb host. He's French.
Patty behind me. Sam in front. What up? How do you like riding a motorcycle?
It's really good. I'm good at driving. I'm just a little nervous, but in a few hours we'll be golden.
Hey guys, look how cute our Airbnb is. We got a nice little yard. We got a pool. Okay, Sam and Patricia. Nice little sunset. We got a view. We got private beach access. Good old Sam. He's like in the waterfall. 2 hours, 40 minutes.
And then we have 2 hours and 40 minutes to Oslob.
41 minutes.
We have 2 hours and 41 minutes to Oslob.
We're staying up all night tonight.
Flex zone, only flex zone, baby.
Everything about that interaction was so great.
Only flex zone, baby.